May 9, 2014, current time is 10:37 GMT. Jay Meisler here with the Daily Forex Trading Outlook. It's like, the best way I could describe it is the ECB finally woke up and saw the light yesterday. It happened just at a time when the market had thrown in the towel and said nothing can hurt the Teflon euro. So obviously the market got caught against the dollar, it got caught against just about every other currency, so the euro fell across the board. And here we are on Friday, staring at the 138 level again, and we're back into that 138 figure to 20 level that hemmed it in for a good part of last month until we start to move higher and back. We'll see if we close on the 138 handle again after a brief break of a month pattern where it closed almost every day on that level, and a couple of days it closed above 139, but we're not back into 138. So 138 is clearly the psychological level. We'll look at charts right now, see what they're showing. If you look at the daily chart, we have a trend line here. I showed it around 137.92. Drew it off of the low, just the mid. Where is it? It's mid 134s, and it dates back to January, being of February of this year. So I have it around, with trend lines you'll have to give it a little leeway, but I have it around 137.92. Below that, we have the key level from last week is 137.72. If we break it, it's an outside week. If we close below, it's an outside week key reversal. So if you want a level, that's the key one for today, it's 137.72. Below that, you have the 100-day moving average, 137.37, and most important for those still bullish on the euro, it's a 200-day moving average. If I extended it out, you'd see why. But this is a level that's tracked the upside. It's 136.19. So looking really further out, that would be my major level to watch. On the other side, we have the 20-day 138.39 and the 50-day 138.25. So let's see if there are any other levels we can find on the 4-hour or the 1-hour chart. We look at the 4-hour chart. We have a level right here. Comes in at 138.07. We got briefly below it today because we got down very close to 138. But if you want a level, it's 138 on the downside. 138, yesterday's low was 138.33, so that would be the initial resistance. And 138.50 would turn it into neutral. So 138, as I mentioned last night, 138.50 is going to set the tone. And it's been bearish all day below it. 138 is clearly the level on the downside that needs to hold to check this move. Below it, 137.72 is the most important level of the week, but as I said, outside it would produce an outside week. Not much in the way of news today. You got Ukraine coming out over the weekend. I just read a report and I posted it that if Europe was forced to ramp up sanctions, it could really impact the German economy, knock it down almost 1%, below a forecasted 1.6 rise this year. So this is why Europe has been hesitant to impose sanctions, and that sums it up right now. For anyone who read my scenario yesterday, and I suggest you should have read it, I posed a two-way risk. It was kind of like 140 or bust. We came close to it, and my scenario actually worked out. So that's why I post these links at the bottom of the page. I'm posting another one now. Suggest you click on it, read it, and that's it for today. It's a defensive Friday. No real stops to go for on the upside. Stops will be closer on the downside. That's where the risk is. But as I said, 138 is the key. Once again, there's a link in this video here. Take a look. Click on it. It's clickable. And we'll touch base over the weekend.